2 बच्चे टॉप 50 में अपनी जगह बना पाए हैं।
My mother was beside me, so she was like, she kind of flied with happiness. And
You both are getting NLU Bangalore, right? The tier 1 institution of the country.
the debate was never about getting into an NLU. The debate was always about whether I get in top 5 or not.
हाल ही में CLAT 2025 के रिजल्ट्स अनाउंस हुए और हर बार की तरह इस बार फिर डैफोडिल्स वर्ल्ड स्कूल ने अपनी परंपरा निभाते हुए बेहतरीन रिजल्ट्स दिए। जी हाँ, आपको बता दें कि कुमारी किस्मत जिन्होंने ऑल इंडिया रैंक 46 हासिल की, तो वहीं आयुष सेहाग ने ऑल इंडिया रैंक 33 हासिल कर सफलता का परचम लहराया। नमस्कार, मैं हूँ आपके साथ जानवी पारेख और आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं हमारे दोनों टॉपर्स। तो चलिए बात करते हैं इनसे और जानते हैं इनकी सक्सेस जर्नी के बारे में। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
CLAT 2025 results are out and I'm proud to inform that our another batch is here with astounding results. पिछले साल के बेहतरीन रिजल्ट को भी पीछे छोड़ते हुए इस बैच ने और भी रिमार्केबल रिजल्ट्स के साथ 9 बच्चों ने CLAT में सिलेक्शन सुनिश्चित किया है, जिसमें 2 बच्चे टॉप 50 में अपनी जगह बना पाए हैं। I congratulate Ayush Sehag for securing All India rank 33 and my head girl Kismat for securing All India rank 46. This is indeed a big achievement. They have not just cracked the CLAT, but they could crack the myth that tier 3 students cannot come up with such remarkable ranks in the examinations like CLAT. जिस एग्जामिनेशन में अमूमन मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटीज़ के बच्चों का आधिपत्य समझा जाता है, उसमें आज मेरे बच्चे टॉप रैंक्स में आ रहे हैं। दैट इज़ अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट। कोई भी लक्ष्य, कोई भी सफलता क्षणिक नहीं है, इसके पीछे बहुत बड़े ध्येय और धैर्य की आवश्यकता होती है। पिछले 17 साल से बच्चों के रीडिंग, कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, एनालिटिकल, क्रिटिकल लर्निंग और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग पे जो हार्ड वर्क हम कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ नाउ ब्रिंगिंग द रिजल्ट्स because such examinations are demanding these skills. This batch is really doing the best and I cannot leave to congratulate my team of Classroom to Career program. Without them it was not possible. I am hopeful that year after year this success is going to be bigger. Thank you.
तो हम शुरू करेंगे किस्मत के साथ। So किस्मत, when you opened your scorecard, जब आपने वो रोल नंबर डाला and when the result was out on your screen, so how did you felt?
First of all, it was unbelievable. I was not able to I didn't even think that it would be this much. My marks were fine, but I didn't think that I would get AIR 46, so that was huge. And my mother was beside me, so she was she kind of flied with happiness, and so it was.
Yeah. When you talk about the parents, they are the only ones who get the most happier when there is a success of a child, right? So when we talk about Ayush, so when you saw your scorecard, जब आपने देखा कि All India rank 33, so how did you felt?
Ma'am, first it was unbelievable and I could not sleep through the night and my parents were also shocked and
तो जब पेरेंट्स की बात आ ही गई है, सो जब हम किस्मत आपकी बात करते हैं, whenever we talk to the people here in Shekhawati especially, अक्सर बच्चियों को लॉ में, लड़कियों को लॉ फील्ड में भेजने से पेरेंट्स थोड़ा सा कतराते हैं। तो आपकी तरफ से कुछ ऐसा था? पेरेंट्स को कोई इशू था?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था। पेरेंट्स स्टार्टिंग से ही ऐसे थे कि जो तेरा मन करे वो कर, और जो भी करती है उसके अंदर अपने को बढ़िया ही करना है।
तो आपने वो बढ़िया करके दिखा दिया। और आयुष, आप जब देखते हैं where do you see yourself after 5 years?
I'd like to see myself as a civil servant serving the nation at a very high level. I would like to prepare for UPSC throughout the law school.
All right, fine. And are your parents agreeing with it or they want you to step into something else? They are supporting you. Nice. Parents का support एक बच्चे के सक्सेस में बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं देखिए स्कूल तो इवेंचुअली हेल्प करती ही है, लेकिन जहाँ हमारे पास पेरेंट्स का मॉरल सपोर्ट रहता है तो वो थोड़ी सी जो हमारी सक्सेस जर्नी है वो थोड़ी सी स्मूथ हो जाती है। तो जितने भी पेरेंट्स मुझे आज देख रहे हैं डिस्पाइट ऑफ द फैक्ट आपका बच्चा चाहे नीट कर रहा है, आईआईटी कर रहा है, क्लैट कर रहा है या किसी और फील्ड में है, आपका ट्रेमेंडियस सपोर्ट बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वायर्ड है. सो नाउ ओवर टू यू बोथ. जब हम बात करते हैं कि लॉ की, तो और क्या क्या करियर ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं इन दिस लॉ स्ट्रीम?
Actually, the thing is that there are many options. Just people are not aware. You have judiciary as the I feel it the best option where you have respect as well as you have the prestige where at a young age you get your own bungalow and all. People respect you like anything. So first of all we have judiciary the best, and then you can be a government advocate. Then you can law firms, they come and they give you packages so you can go into private advocacy as well. And then we have legal advisors. You can be a professor of law, you can teach. So there are immense options which are available. Just you have to discover which one you want to choose.
Okay, so talking about the career options, so where do you see yourself after 5 years?
First of all, I would like to see myself as a judicial officer, magistrate.
So after listening to your answers, it is very much visible that you're very clear about your vision and your ultimate goal. So where did you got this clarity from?
It was basically when I was in 10th standard, our school launched the Classroom to Career program, where I got to know about various fields, and that was the time when I realized that okay, CLAT is something which I need to pursue, which I want to pursue. And then when I was in 11th, our seniors gave tremendous outstanding results. So after that I was like, if they can then I can. So and that's when I was.
इसी बात से आपको बता दें कि लास्ट ईयर हमारे क्लासरूम टू करियर प्रोग्राम का फर्स्ट रिजल्ट अनाउंस हुआ था क्लैट एग्जामिनेशन को लेके, और स्कूल ने वाकई ही बहुत ही बेहतरीन रिजल्ट दिया था. ऑल इंडिया रैंक 80 हमारी स्टूडेंट्स ने सिक्योर किया था, और इस बार फिर एक और रिकॉर्ड ब्रेकिंग रिजल्ट दिया है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 33 एंड ऑल इंडिया रैंक 46. किस्मत, हाउ मेनी मॉक टेस्ट यू अपीयर्ड फॉर?
They were more than 30 of course, and my score, it keeps on fluctuating, but that's not a big deal when you have that determination in yourself. And speaking about myself, I never had that those self doubts, they didn't appear because the debate was never about getting into an NLU. The debate was always about whether I get in top 5 or not. So it was not an option.
Fine. So when you talk about the top 5, you both are getting NLU Bangalore, right? The tier 1 institution of the country. Nice. So congratulations to both of you, and we are really proud of you. So talking about the preparation part, आपने स्कूल के अलावा कहीं और से कुछ तैयारी करी?
No, ma'am.
So it was only school?
Yes, only the Classroom to Career program, that's it.
Fine. So see, as we are breaking the taboos now, coachings and all, they are not really important. It's just your determination, it's just the clear guidance, the correct path you have to walk on, which your school can also show you. When you talk about the examination part, तो अभी जैसे जो बच्चे नहीं क्लियर कर पाए, तो उनको आपका क्या सजेशन है? वो किस तरीके से खुद को प्रिपेयर करें फॉर देयर एग्जाम नाउ?
First of all, they have to get out of that mentality that to start preparing again from now, and a very strong foundation is very important. So they have to work on their basics and practice a lot, give mocks, work on time management, read newspapers daily, and work on their reading speed and literature.
The first thing is that you don't have whatever you do it with interest and do it with all your efforts, because then only that thing would be successful and it would pay you in future. So it doesn't matter whether you give 9 to 10 hours to study or you give 2 to 3, because in those 9 to 10 hours, if you are not focusing on that, it would give you no fruits. But even in those 2 to 3 hours, if you're all the focus is on that material which is in front of you, it would give you very, very happy results.
It was lovely talking to you both, the toppers of CLAT 2025 from Daffodils World School. So we wish you all the best for your future endeavors, and see you soon sitting on the sofa and interviewing yourself as a judge and as a UPSC aspirant. Thank you so much. तो ये थे हमारे साथ CLAT 2025 के सुपरस्टार्स आयुष सिहाग एंड कुमारी किस्मत. जी हाँ, सिर्फ क्लैट ही नहीं, डैफोडिल्स वर्ल्ड स्कूल ने हर साल बेहतरीन रिजल्ट्स दिए हैं IIT, नीट, JEE, NDA जैसे भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में. तो हाँ, आगे भी हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ही टॉपर्स के साथ, और आप सबको इनकी जर्नी और एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बताते रहेंगे. धन्यवाद.